I'm looking to the southeast. You see this? And I guess it's probably because that cloud right there to the right, but it makes it look like a mushroom cloud, all radiated. Anyway, I'm gonna bring this back down a minute. Swing around here and show you. This is to the south, and this is to the west. And sun's already set. See? No sun. Sun's already set. And you can tell because those are highlighted there. But you go all the way around here, the sun is set, and yet, let's see, I almost fell down. When you look here, you get this. Let me get back up here on the side. All right. And there it is. I just thought this was wild. Just came out on a porch, looked at it. There's no reason for this to be radiated after the sun's already went down on the west. And it's already behind it, you can see it. Come on, focus for mommy. How wicked is this? Look at all the lighting inside this thing. I mean, the black shadow right there to the right, of course that's clouds. But this cloud here that's all pink and radiated and everything, that shouldn't be happening. Not with the sun already going down. And you can't see the sun, I just showed you. And look at the nasty clouds above it. I mean, this is wild. When you go around this way, check this. They've been spraying us real high today. And when they get through with chemtrails, you see this black stuff in the air. People can say what they want to. This comes from the chemicals that they spray on us. You know, I'm about tired of it just like everybody else is. But now I'm looking toward the southwest. Huh? And this area here is a little bit lit up and through the trees right there. No, that's not the sun. It's not Nibiru. But it's got, there's your nasty stuff right there. Anytime you see this stuff right here, this is leftovers from chemtrails. Anyway, I just want to bring this to your attention and let you see this. So, take care. Probably take an hour to upload this few-minute video because YouTube is messing with me bad. So if y'all get to see it, that's good. Take care.